Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you how to crochet this beautiful crochet cushion cover, and this is a shell stitch and V-stitch pattern along with tassels and beads attached on it. I have made it in maroon color because I got the order, but I will share the pattern with another color. So I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm crochet hook size, and I am using a 3 ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we will start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way we are going to make chains which are multiple of 4. So I have made 28 chains. For this pattern you will need a multiple of 4 number of base chains. Now first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch here, and wrap the yarn around crochet hook. Go into this 4th chain from hook right here, and then draw up a loop like this. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. So this is our double crochet. Make chain 1. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again. Count the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to skip 4 chains, and into the 5th one we are going to work. So draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Make double crochet 3 into the same chain. Make chain 1, chain 2, and into the same chain we are going to make 3 double crochet stitches again. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, so here is our shell stitch. Now make chain 1 first, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Skip 4 chains. Into the 5th one we are going to make a V stitch by making double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet into the same chain. So this is called V stitch, and we are going to repeat this shell stitch and V stitch pattern. Count 4 chains, and into the 5th chain we are going to make shell stitch again. Sorry, we have to make chain 1 first. So make chain 1 and then into the 5th chain make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Make chain 1 first, and then into the 5th chain we are going to make a V stitch again. So double crochet 1, 2 chains and a double crochet stitch, and then into the last chain make chain 1 first, and then into the last chain here we are going to make a double crochet, and our first row is completed. Now we will start next row. We will just complete the full pattern of cushion cover with this shell stitch and V-stitch pattern. For the next row, make 3 chains, turn up the work and into the same double crochet stitch, which is the last double crochet stitch of first row, make a double crochet, then make chain 1, and we are going to work into this V-stitch, chain 2 space. So make double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet in this chain 2 space of V-stitch, then make chain 1, and we are going to work into the chain 2 space of our shell stitch and we will make shell stitch into it. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, chain 1 and V-stitch into V-stitch and then shell stitch into the shell stitch. So I have made all these stitches. In the end we are going to make chain 1 and this is our third turning chain after double crochet stitch. So we are going to make a double crochet in this third turning chain like this. So second row is also completed. Now for the third row we are just going to repeat the pattern of first row because this is a one row repeat pattern. So make 3 chains, make a double crochet into this very first double crochet stitch, make chain 1 and we are going to make a shell stitch into chain 2 space of our shell stitch by making 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chains and 3 double crochet stitches. Make chain 1 and we are going to make a V-stitch by making a double crochet, 2 chains and a double crochet into chain 2 space of V-stitch. So this is our simple and beginner friendly pattern for this crochet cushion cover. We are going to make our whole crochet cushion cover with this pattern according to the width and length of cushion. So I have made this pattern in this maroon color. Now I will show you how to join sides of these cushion cover together. So fold it in half, right side upward, make chain 1 and into very first stitch, which is right here, a double crochet, we are going to make a single crochet stitch. So in this double crochet make a single crochet, then we are going to work on the side of these double crochet stitches. So from the side take 2 loops from the side of these double crochet stitches and make a single crochet into it. So we are going to make single crochet stitches from the side like this. We have double crochet stitches on the side and rows with chain 3 pattern. So we are going to work from the side of double crochet stitches and chain 3 like this. For one row we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches. And in this way we are going to join these sides together. So here is the pattern of single crochet stitch joining method. Complete it till the end right here. And for this side we will use a new yarn. Just make sure you have equal number of rows on both sides, and then make a slip knot of this new yarn and attach it in middle row. Make chain 1, and then we are going to use the same method of joining these sides together with single crochet stitch. So we are going to make single crochet by taking the loops from the both sides of these rows. One single crochet is made on the sides of double crochet stitch, and one single crochet is made at the top of double crochet stitch. So in this way we are going to join these two sides together. I am not showing you how to attach the tassels because video will be too long. So I am just showing you the pattern of this cushion cover. So this is our final result after attaching beads and tassels. So hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. So stay connected. Thank you for watching. Bye.